Welcome back to Infinite Quiz! We've got 60 animals lined up, starting easy and ending super tough. Think you can guess them all? Let's find out! Guess the animal? This one says meow and loves cuddles. The answer is cat. Guess the animal? It's dog. It's cow. Horse. Here's your next one. Guess the animal? Chicken. Guess the animal? Pink, round, and loves mud. Pig. Guess the animal? Fluffy wool, perfect for sweaters. Sheep. Guess the animal? Swims in ponds and goes quack. Duck. Goat. Guess the animal? Cute, hops around and loves carrots. The answer is rabbit. Guess the animal? The biggest land animal with a trunk. Elephant. Guess the animal? The king of the jungle. It's lion. Tiger. Giraffe. Black and white stripes all over. Guess it. Zebra. Monkey. Graceful antlers on its head. What is it? It's deer. Kangaroo. Cute, black and white, loves bamboo. Who's this? Panda. This is bear. This animal builds dams with its teeth. What's the name? Beaver. Otter. Mask on its face, sneaky trash thief. Which animal? Raccoon. Tiny, round, covered in spikes. What is it? Hedgehog. Sloth. This reptile changes color. Name it. Chameleon. What animal has armor and can roll into a ball? Armadillo. Platypus. Puffin. Which animal stands tall on two legs, always looking out? Meerkat. Big eyes, long tail from Madagascar. Who knows it? Lemur. The largest living lizard, what's it called? Komodo dragon. Capybara. Lynx. Wombat. Quokka. Odd creature with a short trunk-like nose. Name it. Tapir. Looks like a giraffe mixed with a zebra. Which animal? Okapi. Covered in scales, eats ants. What's the animal? Pangolin. Called the unicorn of the sea. Can you name it? Narwhal. Strange salamander that can regrow limbs. What's it? Axolotl. Aya, aya. Tarsier. Saula. Wild goat with spiral horns? Who knows it? Markhor. Tall, skinny wild dog from South America. Name it. Maned wolf. Nicknamed the honey bear, loves fruit and nectar. Which animal? Kinkajou. Cat-like predator from Madagascar. Can you guess it? It's fossa. A giant parrot that can't fly from New Zealand. What is it? Kakapo. Quetzal. Dolphin. Shoebill stork. The world's smallest bear. Guess it. Sun bear. Long-necked antelope, the giraffe gazelle. What's it called? Gerenuk. Vicuña. Proboscis monkey. Numbat. Oncilla. Wild dog from Asia, also called the whistling dog. Name it. Tole. Alright, last one. The toughest of them all. This tiny desert rodent hops on two legs like a kangaroo. Do you know it? Jerboa.